Welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing some Bed Wars. So, let's. I'm not raging this, but it's okay though. This is not a voice changer, this is my actual voice, so yes. So, this is so fucking good. So, forever.
Just kidding, guys. This is my real voice. Okay, let's play some Bed Wars. Okay, this is the best day of my life.
Oh look, we have a subscriber in here. Hi subscriber. Hopefully you don't die.
Amazing Wolf Gamer.
Hello, don't kill us.
We are innocent souls.
We are innocent. Okay, let's go. Yo, that was destroyed by Draco. No. What? Oh no, she sees me. Hi.
Oh, I didn't even know that was you. I was like, who is this hooligan? Building again.
Dude, move over. I'm gonna destroy your bed. Stop covering it. Stop covering it with garbage. It's gonna take me more time to kill you. Please.
This is so scary. Get away from me. Get away from my head.
I'm sorry.
No.
Okay, we need to destroy your bed. We need to destroy your bed. Please. I'm nothing. Please.
Spawn. Where is she?
Come on.
Yes! No! I died! No! You! Now I'm gonna get your bed. Everyone funny is Gray.
Ray,
Yes.
you ratted me out. You rat. Okay. You rat.
Now I must protect myself because I don't have a bed anymore.
You must protect and attack. We have a step. Alright, we have enough stuff to travel onto another bed. Hopefully no one goes for my bed because, you know, it is the gray one. Both of these islands look safe. Lunar is pink. Hi, Lunar.
Where is she? Everyone's so scared of funny.
Hi, Lunar.
She's too crazy.
I can't see her! Gold, move over. I'm going. It's time.
Didn't kill you.
God, just come. Get down here, Gold. Are you running to my bed? No. You troll, get here. Wait, where is she? Oh, she's right there. I'm not playing this game with you. But she's gonna bust my bed. You know what? We're going. Oh no! Why do I keep falling today? Something is wrong with my keyboard, guys. I swear. It's not because I suck. Something is wrong with my keyboard. Gold is terrifyingly busy with my bed.
Finally.
She's still gonna get you, buddy. That's what you get for killing her first.
I'm not supposed to look
so
like this.
scared. I'm so scared.
Get wrecked by gold. Do you surrender?
Okay, I'm actually so scared right now.
I do like the blue hair though. I'm gonna keep the blue hair.
Gold?
Dun, dun, dun,
About me?
dun, dun,
Breaking your
dun,
bed?
dun, dun.
I'm so sorry. I did not mean to do it. I apologize.
Hit her!
No.
What?
Yeah, I'm sorry. It's a Canadian sorry. I'm actually sorry. Sorry.
She doesn't mean it, girl. Don't believe her.
Thank you. Oh, really? You're that easy? Oh.
Trap. It's a trap. She's gonna kill you.
Are you sure? You know, I need to do this faster. I'm not playing it
Okay,
safe.
whatever.
I'm out for blood. I promise you guys. is being very creative of how she's building her bed. But Luna, that is not the point. We're going to destroy you. There's so much diamonds on this bed. Okay, moving on to our next prey. What? Who's on my bed? Hey, get up! Buddy! What am I doing? No! I lost all my stuff! Yes! She's so evil! I should have known something was wrong. She was so quiet. Well, that was too easy. You guys, you gotta go harder. Come on.
Draco, get vengeance for us.
Vengeance on them. More people. Oh, wait, that's one of our subscribers. Bye, subscriber. No! Have a fun time in death.
Why would you do that?
Because I told you, I am out for blood.
What happened to the old funny?
Old Funny kept losing that bad word, so now.
Finally, it's been 7 minutes and I couldn't even play one game of Bed Wars.
No, white team's gonna destroy my bed.
Pokebug! The bug! Oh, they see me! Hi, girl. She's like, come here, Funny. Let me kill you. No! Oh, this is a race. It is a race to explode her bed. Alright, let's do this. I have a lot of wool, actually. I could do this all day. All night. Hopefully, you do not have something scary like a bow or a fire charge, so I can fall off.
Doing the tower tactic.
Nope. Hi, girl. Look what I got. Look. No, I don't want to use it on her. Not yet. She's trying to jump me. No, we are not doing this game. She's trying to jump me. I gotta. No! Oh, she did it! Throw! Oh. She killed me. Oh, that was good. I gotta give you points for that. She's like, XD. No. Okay.
Get wrecked.
Okay, I gotta give it to her for that one. I did. No more.
This is so
I'm gonna go talk to
No
someone
more
else.
nice funny.
Nope, no more nice funny. Let's get some more TNT.
I do a face
Practically
reveal one.
that's all we get.
Dun, dun, dun,
I am
dun,
going to
dun.
destroy your bed. Woo! Oh no!
Destroy their bed.
Why
Oh,
is Draco
Draco.
destroyed? Draco, why?
Wait, my bed got destroyed?
No, Draco destroyed the white team.
Okay,
Nice. Okay, we're going for the bed. That girl, I think she's stuck up there, so we're gonna go for it right
We're
now.
going to go insane.
Hopefully, please don't push me off again. You too pro for me. Let this little tiny pleb make their way. Why do I keep doing this?
Sorry.
Oh, Draco, you savage. That was my kill, Draco. I died 6 times for it. Draco,
Okay,
you
it's been 9
savage
minutes and I
potato.
You savage cookie.
Watch. What else can we get?
Please stand by.
Draco, why?
I'm gonna get your bed.
Okay,
Don't.
we're going to trade.
Bed's gonna be
Bed Wars on
Draco
Blood and Go.
still have
So,
arrows. She's like
please stand
terrifying.
by. And again,
How
What was that?
again.
Taste
What was
the bowl of
Where are you
music.
shooting from?
Okay.
I see you.
Wait, what? Did you just say something, Draco?
I see.
I don't think.
You're so, no, you don't. You don't even know where I am.
Yes, I do.
The slow, unsuspenseful bad boys.
Draco looks like he's building like a bunch of water slides or something over here.
Draco, you know what? I'm going to the Emerald Island because you are being a pig. So whatever. you're like hogging everything. So I'm just gonna go to the Emerald.
It's funniest.
What am I hogging? I haven't even touched the
It's
diamond
funniest
before
talking
round.
because
Are you
she
sure you
is
didn't?
playing a game right now.
No, I didn't.
So, yeah.
I mean,
Unless it was from killing you.
Okay.
Then yes, I did.
you're such a hog, Draco. Such a hog. Lunar, he's going for your bed. Ah!
Badwars are not by their hair, clothes, and face.
We've just murdered
So, yeah.
Jocko's bed.
I didn't murder. You better watch out. What if he jumps down and kills you?
I'll scream. All right, so Jocko is down. I still have my bed up, surprisingly. I don't know why you guys are going for my bed.
No one said they weren't going to your bed.
Luna's going to your bed.
Oh, I see.
She's there right now.
No.
He's lying. I'm not.
Luna! Oh,
No, 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 no,
no, no, no, no, no, no.
Okay.
Luna, protect your bed. Oh, no, oh,
What
no.
the hell is
did you
this?
do? That was scary. I took my knockback stick. Luna, you're so That was so savage. Oh, man. Luna, that was pure evil.
So when I was not recording, I was playing this
Jocko.
game. I built like walls
Jocko, why
all
did you
over
die
this
from her?
place. So yeah.
I didn't know she had a knockback stick.
That was scary when you pulled out the knockback stick.
They're
I got
coming
scared
back,
for Jocko. And then she murdered him. All right, Lunar. Just to give you a heads up, you should buy a golden apple and eat it before I murder you. Because I'm gonna murder you.
Hey, Jocko, why did you wreck my cake?
Because it was ugly.
Okay, let's do this corner.
What?
Bye. Bye, Lunar.
No! What the where's it
Hurry
coming?
up
Build up!
and make the layers. Got 8.
Buddy, you can wear it. You're gonna knockback stick.
Tapping you.
You're gonna knockback stick you all the way to the end of the world.
Lunar, build up, build up! Go, just keep
Yeah.
here.
Why are you going near me? Eat the bowl.
Okay, guys,
Eat
we
the
need 2 more.
music bowl. Luna, any last words?
No.
You shot back. That's it. You die. You die, Luna.
What?
No. No, I'm on fire. I'm actually gonna die. Oh no. I was being too happy. Where'd you go? You died, Luna.
Luna's not dying. She's gonna respawn.
Wait, did Luna
Okay,
die?
so green beds.
Wait, her bed's not dead?
So green's bed is gone. So
Oh no. This will take 5 years.
Diploid Molly must be pro.
Luna, just let me
So
get some TNT.
not to worry about red.
Oh.
Not us. Blue has 2 people. Green has 3.
No, wait up. What was that
So
doing?
yeah.
What was that doing? No, 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 Luna. No, no,
Okay,
Luna,
so
Luna,
I got the
Luna,
tower.
no, no.
Good.
Luna, please.
I'm gonna get tons
Luna,
more
please,
wood.
Luna.
I'm gonna get some
Stop.
walls and some walls to
I'm scared.
make
Okay, no more
wall
fooling around. I'm actually just
all
gonna go
over
kill her bed. I thought I
this
already
place.
destroyed her bed, but it turns out no one has destroyed her bed. Draco, I thought you killed her.
No, she knockback sticked me.
She knocked you straight out of the map?
Yeah, she like knocked me back to my island and then off of it.
Lunar, I thought you were a noob, but you were clearly lying. You played Bad Wars
I
before.
am a noob.
No, don't drop the innocent act right now. Prepare to die, girl. We are building.
Deny her of her rightful
We are
claim.
building to Lunar's island. Ah, Lunar, get off here. Get off, Lunar. This is
My
Oh,
diamond,
you know
I
Lunar
cleaned
only
this.
has
what?
like, you know, she doesn't know how to find someone who has invisibility, right?
What do you mean? What's that even mean?
I don't
Oh,
know.
like she can't
It's an
find.
invisibility potion. She can't detect you because she doesn't know what to look at.
Fungus.
No.
No! Yes! Yes! Good job, guys. GG. We hope you guys enjoyed today's Bed Wars video. It was a lot different than our other Bed Wars. And if you did, make sure to grab a sub and smash the like button down below.
Blue.
Because we
That
have
was
to go.
up at that like button.
Oh,
We
Blue.
have to go back
Blue,
to our day
you
job.
made
That's
a
really fun.
huge
And
mistake.
so anyways, we're trying to reach 8,000 likes for Minecraft Bed Wars. Hit that like button if you did enjoy this Bed Wars. And
Yes, you
don't
made a
forget to
huge
subscribe to our
mistake,
channel
Blue.
if haven't
You made a huge mistake.
are
Okay,
opening our first
okay,
present
I made a mistake.
to everyone.
Help, 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 help.
Ansley, we'll see
Sorry. I don't have what?
Ooh, it looks like the friend's gonna see me. Actually, they're doing something very silly. We're gonna. Oh! He just threw me off the cliff with a fire charge. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are playing some more Minecraft Bed Wars, and I am assuming it has been a while. Like, we haven't posted Bed Wars in I think a month actually. People are like, where's Bed Wars? Here it is,
Too
guys.
long.
So,
That's why today I'm gonna be a fighter.
oh
Well,
my
Gold
god,
is
it's
gonna
Gold's
have to
first time
fight.
being a fighter.
What?
Oh.
Oh, it's a hacker.
Oh man.
That explains a lot.
Did we just get hacked? We just got hacked.
Yeah, they murdered every bed.
Oh. Oh man,
Dude,
this is
that
real
game's, like,
awkward.
barely over.
We didn't even get to start our intro
Ooh.
yet. Ooh.
Maybe we should report Vernal.
Is it because I said I'm gonna be a fighter?
Yeah, I think so. Our first game, killed by a flying invisible hacker. Well, guys, I feel like we gotta do better
Okay.
than this. We
It's
gotta
been
be
17
hackers.
minutes.
No, this is the old
It
map.
took
You're crazy.
Probably like 10 minutes to get this starting.
Rainbow, this is like the high noon
So,
map, okay? It's a
whatever.
cowboy map. It's like this most
So
basic map that we ever like.
we're
I think
going
it's
to
like the
try to
first
get
map we
some
ever played on
emeralds
Bedwars,
from
actually.
Emerald Island.
And let's go straight for
And
emerald.
nobody
It looks like
ever
yellow
looks
team
in
is
the
already
chest,
building
so
there,
I'm gonna put
and blue team is defending their bed with stained clay. So wait, let me actually
all
go
of
trade in for a
my
pickaxe.
jewels
Hey, get off my bed! Ooh,
in this ender
Don't
chest.
touch our bed yet. Draco, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna grab an invisibility
Okay.
potion, and let's try sneaking over to their bed. I don't know if this is gonna work though, Draco. I'm scared.
I'll distract them.
All right, distract them.
Coming back with full force.
Oh, they really like us. Hey. Ooh. Oh, Draco's down. Oh, I don't want to lose my potion though.
What?
Just
Don't
wait.
lose your potion, funny.
Okay, I'm gonna
The
put it in the chest, and
fuck?
we are going to fight blue team. Hey, come here. Come here. No. Come here.
Why?
Get out of here. Get out of here. There we go. There we go. Okay.
Hold us
Ooh,
down.
one of them had an
I'm
emerald.
mad.
All right, Draco. Let's
I'm
do this.
mad.
We're going to distract them so bad that they won't even see us coming. We're gonna go straight for blue. Okay, if they don't see us, they're like building stuff. Draco, I'm gonna drink.
The
Drinking.
fuck?
Alright, distract them.
I'm
Lead
playing
them
with
away.
pros here.
So he's there.
That's
This
right.
guy, come on, dude. And we have 23 seconds of this.
They won't see your foot particles if you watch.
I'm
Run.
walking. I'm running.
They don't
I'm
know.
running. I'm
You're
running.
distracting them.
Boom!
Next
Down.
round.
Down. You did it! Yes! Finally! Some justice! Some justice. Ooh, he's an iron sword. Nice. Okay, destroy their stuff. Oh, they're coming back. They're coming back. Oh, they see me! No.
Well,
Yeah.
red is
That was a close call,
literally.
though. I really wanted to put all this stuff in the chest, but I couldn't make it in time. It's okay. We could kill blue,
At
though.
least you got the bag.
That is true. Let's go murder blue team. This is for going for us first. Actually, the invisibility tactic is one of my favorites. Draco, are you dying?
I'm trying to fight blue team.
Blue plebby! Hey, stop running. Hey, dude. Okay, we're gonna push him off and smack him. Bam. All right, let's.
The last member.
Yup. Oh, they actually have an emerald
They're
generator,
going for a
guys.
bed.
Ooh.
Funny, they're going for a bed.
Where are they?
It's okay.
Look at the top. Look at the sky.
Rainbow, take out glass. You gotta put glass around.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Someone watch the bed.
You guys, please watch the bed. I'm gonna go destroy green team's bed. All right, let's drink this speed potion and go all the way for green teams. Green team has like a unique thing going on. Drinking this speed potion and the invisibility potion. There we go. Okay, running.
Go
I'm
fight,
walking.
go fight.
I'm walking.
What happened here?
La 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 la. Nothing happening so far. All right, let's destroy this stuff.
That actually scared me.
No, that tactic
Yeet.
good. So what should we do?
Yeah, yeet.
It's too late for that to work. You should just do the stick.
Oh yes, the knockback stick. So honestly, we should just upgrade our armor right now so we can be more powerful. Blue
Buddy, there's
team,
someone on blue team. Kill them.
have blue. Why do you have an axe, by the way? Oh.
That.
Dead. Oh, 8 diamonds.
Those are the
nice.
pros.
Ooh, bring it back.
Oh,
Nice.
we're
Bring them back.
back on yellow
Very nice,
team.
very nice. Okay, let's bring them back. Is anyone even on emeralds? I feel like those two teams are attacking each other.
Okay.
Legit, there is no one.
There's only 3
Yes, let's
people
take
in
all the
blue,
emeralds
which
and
is
upgrade our
good.
sword.
Let's get strong.
What? Why is there red dot on settings?
We died.
Ooh,
Yellow.
us and yellow must fight now. Let's grab some. Oh, I need one more emerald for diamond armor. Does anyone have one? Just one? Ooh, thank you. Wait, I see it in the chest, guys. I'm gonna use it for
Okay.
some diamond swiggity swag. Let's pull off this in here. Grab some more wool. Let's actually grab a couple of more.
So,
And should we go for yellow? Is yellow the last one?
Yes. I'm going strong.
Ooh.
we're gonna.
You're saying you're going strong, but they're going strong. Look at their
Okay.
armory. It is legit decked out with stained clay. I don't know how this is gonna do, guys. Yeah, we need
What
to
if it's
build.
like nothing inside, like gold?
I mean, it's like hollow. It's just to like intimidate us. No, I feel like I saw them putting glass inside, but I'm not sure. So Alex is starting to build towards that
Someone's
diamond
dying.
island. Let's try to dominate all the islands so they can't grab any, guys. Okay, are we ready to go destroy them? Bum, bum.
Yes.
I've got 16.
Why didn't I purchase an arrow?
Hopefully they have no glasses.
Why do you have so
I
much
got an
TNT?
invisibility and speed potion, so I'm just gonna run over there and drop a bunch of bombs.
Okay, Draco, I'm gonna watch you from this angle. Draco is going, guys. Please wish him luck.
Good luck, Drac.
I'll be-
Invisibility and speed.
Okay, I'm gonna get
This is such a
some.
bad idea.
Hope we don't see you running.
Draco, you.
Wool.
They don't see you yet. Okay, dude, I will distract them. Gold, there's some emeralds for you to grab.
Also gonna get some of
Buddy, if you build
these.
up, we might be
Oh, they have a
distracted.
trap. They know I'm here.
Ooh.
Oh no, they saw me. Drop all the TNT. Drop it all.
No, 16 TNT, dude. Ooh. Oh, their
The
bed's open.
hell?
Buddy, go. 2 of them are dead. This one's alive.
Wait. I think they see me. No, they're repairing.
I'm coming.
Hey, no. I need to kill something. I'm chasing them around.
My
Go.
emerald.
No. It's my emerald armor. I'm being so annoying, dude.
I'm coming, Buddy. We're coming.
Come on, Tay.
Almost got them dead.
Get off.
Alex! Did you do it?
I killed them.
Go,
The
get them dead.
hell?
Get it! Oh! Ooh, gold is
I
right
hate that
there.
person.
This is a very intense game, guys.
Okay, you know what?
Retreat, guys. That was
Okay, I'll give you guys.
I'm raging.
some effort right there. I can't believe
Yeah,
how long I
that was
lived.
crazy.
Hey!
I'm gonna get 5 invisibility.
Oh! No, they're starting to destroy their thing. Don't do that, Turtle.
Just go back.
Alright, I'll trick him. Hey. Turtle, I think I can make that jump!
You going to
Oh
die.
my god, this is bad.
Kill.
Guys, it looks like
you.
they're doing our tactic and they're building around their base.
Well, we better stop it.
Yeah, we gotta stop it. So I have 16 diamonds. Oh, I can bring this back to Rainbow so we can upgrade our stuff.
Yes.
Just wait, guys. I'm going to upgrade our
Funny.
What?
Do you see that little yellow bridge sneaking under our base?
Get for killing me.
They're trying to be offensive.
Hey! Oh, okay. Let's try shooting them off. Hey! Oh, I shot him off. That was pro. Can't believe I did
Hey,
that.
I've never seen anybody do that before.
Sneaky. I see how this is. We're gonna break your wool bed, by the way. We are stacked up with goods, diamond armor. Draco, are you gonna TNT them?
Yeah, I've got all the potions necessary.
I have bed potions. Oh! Okay, so, oh my god, I thought that was cool. So, Alex, do we have fire charges actually to break this down? Can we get some fire charges? Draco is sneaking on over. Draco, be careful.
Okay.
I don't have a
On
good
top of their
feeling
bed,
about
They
this.
don't know anything. Boom, 1, 2, 3.
it's time to fight, guys. We're gonna throw these.
TNTs.
Jump! Okay, ready?
3 TNTs, 4, 5, 6, a million TNTs. TNTs everywhere. TNTs everywhere.
And
Yes!
yes! Dead! They're like freaking out because of the bed bugs. Where's this last guy? Where is he?
Is he going on our bed?
Yeah, there's someone on our bed.
Huh?
Hey, did you jump
Wait, they're on our roof. They're on our roof.
Okay.
Oh no.
If you guys enjoyed the video,
okay,
please subscribe and bye bye.